We're at our 380 Young project. We're on level 2, flying hollow core today, and we're landing it on top of our ICF wall. Basically, we're going to go through the connection on how that looks. Here's our standard Logix Pro block. We've modified it to accept a 8 and 10 inch hollow core. Basically, we just took our block, we cut out the one web across here. So this dimension accepts our 8 and 10 inch hollow core. We screed to this elevation, so that's their top of concrete or bottom of hollow core. We have 2 elevations, an 8 inch and a 10 inch. So this side, we had to go a little more creative. We just stuck a piece of plywood under the block before we put it down. So we put it down. And what that did is it allowed us to get to our exact 10 inch hollow core height because it's a little bigger than a standard. It gave us a smooth seat in this haunch for the hollow core to sit on. And that allows us to accept the next level going forward. This whole area is now open. They can put their horizontal bar in and their candy canes, which ties it back into the slab. We can grout this upright and the hollow core connection, and our installation stays continuous going forward all the way up. We have 2 spans. We have a longer span and a shorter span. So the shorter span is the 8 inch because it doesn't have to go as far, not structurally as demanding. This longer span is the 10 inch. So that's why we had to get a little creative. Like I said, we're putting this plywood or 1x4 under here, and then we cut this out later. After they've landed the hollow core, they're gonna put in their bar, their reinforcement, and then we're gonna grout this upright. A little detail is we have to put backing in on the hollow core section. It's a little block that goes in there, and when they pour the grout in, it can fill this upright, this upstand, complete to the top. And then we'll start our next wall right on top of it. Right now you can see they're dropping the hollow core. It's landing on the delta beam in the middle and on the ICF on the outside. So we're catching it both structurally on each end. That side was our 8 inch hollow core. It's a little thinner. And it's an easy transition. They are able to work on both sides relatively barrier free. They can put their hollow core in there, slide it on, manipulate it, and then keep flying the next plank.